Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you a very special story. This story is emotional. It is simple and it is full of meaning. It is about one small act of kindness and how that small kindness changed someone's entire life. So, my friends, sit back, listen carefully, and feel this story with your heart. There was a boy named Rahim. He lived in a small town. His family was poor, and life was not easy for him. He often walked to school without shoes. Sometimes he even skipped lunch because there was no money. Rahim was often hungry. He sometimes went to sleep without food. One day, Rahim was walking back home from school. He felt very hungry and very tired. He sat near a small shop. His stomach was empty. He felt weak and lonely. The shopkeeper, an old man, noticed him. He asked, "Why are you sitting here, son?" Rahim smiled shyly and said, "I am just resting." The man could see sadness in Rahim's eyes.
The old man looked at him carefully. He saw the boy's empty school bag and his weak face. Without asking more, the shopkeeper gave Rahim a piece of bread and a glass of water. The boy's face lit up. He held the bread with both hands. Rahim's hands were shaking as he ate. It was clear he had been hungry for many days. Rahim's eyes filled with tears. He said, "Thank you, Uncle. I will never forget this." He felt happy for the first time that day. From that day, Rahim became a regular visitor. The old shopkeeper always gave him a little food. Sometimes rice, sometimes bread, sometimes just a sweet. Rahim never asked for it, but the man always shared. Rahim always said thank you. The old man always smiled. The shopkeeper never treated him as poor. He always treated Rahim with respect. Years passed. Rahim studied hard. He wanted to change his life and help others, just like the shopkeeper helped him. After many struggles, Rahim finished school, then college, and finally became a doctor. His dream came true. He never forgot the old shopkeeper. He always remembered the taste of that first bread. It was more than food. It was hope. One day, after many years, the shopkeeper fell very sick. He was taken to the hospital. He had no money and no family to look after him. He was worried about what would happen.
When the doctor entered the room, the old man was shocked. It was Rahim, the same little boy he had once fed. The old man could not believe his eyes. Rahim smiled and said softly, "Uncle, don't worry. You gave me food when I was hungry. Now it is my turn to take care of you." The old man felt peace in his heart. Tears rolled down his cheeks. He felt he had received the biggest gift of his life. Rahim treated him with love and respect. The shopkeeper recovered. He cried with happiness and said, "I never knew that my small kindness would return to me in such a big way." Rahim also felt very happy. He held the old man's hand gently. Both of them smiled through their tears. Moral of the story? Kindness never goes to waste. Even one small act of goodness can return to us in unexpected ways. So, my friends, Always be kind, because your little help can change someone's entire life. A kind heart is more powerful than money. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for listening to this story. I hope it touched your heart and inspired you. If you liked this story, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more simple, emotional, and meaningful stories for you. Until next time, stay kind, stay positive, and keep smiling.